Hello, this is Frank with Caring Professional Services. I'm here today to introduce the Caring Professional Services app. This is an app where you can apply for open jobs at the agency. To use the app, download the app at the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Do a search for Caring Professional Services and look for the icon to my left. Once you've downloaded the app, open the app and proceed to the bottom of the screen where it says sign up. To sign up, you need to complete the fields, including your credentials, whether you're an HHA, CNA, RN, PT, PTA. And the app is also going to ask you to take a picture before you hit next. So your picture is taken by touching the dot at the top. You can either use the camera or a picture from your library. I'm going to use the camera. After you completed this and you've gone through the entire sign up, remember to call the agency, ask for the Human Resource Department, and they will activate your account so that you can apply for work. Now that you have downloaded the app and contacted the Human Resource Department, you can begin to use the app. So I'm going to log in. Once I'm logged in, you're going to see the home screen. The home screen has a map. It opens up near your location where you signed up for to use the app using your home address. And it's going to show me jobs that are located near me. So if I zoom in and out, all the blue pins or the blue dots are open jobs. I can also use the menu on the top left hand side and choose jobs map, and I could just have the entire map on the screen. From here I can open the pins by touching them, and I can see a summary of what the job is about. If this is a job that interests me, I'll simply touch the summary, and it takes me to the detail page where I can see the days that the job is for, the length of the job, how much is being paid. If this is a job that I'm interested in, all I need to do is touch apply, and I get a confirmation that I applied for this job. I can go back to the home screen. Also, I can use the menu. In the menu, there's also a jobs list. This is a list of all the open jobs, which I can view the details. If I like this job, I can apply by hitting the apply button. And if I wanted to share this job with a friend that I know is looking for work, or another HHA that I know needs work, I can share. I can send this by text, email. They'll be required to sign up for the app. We use this information to get you started at the agency. We request all new hires to download the app and do the application from here. And it's a great way to start working at the agency or to pick up work. The jobs are given out in first come, first serve order. We do allow multiple people to apply for the jobs because not every time does the first person that applied for the job actually take it. After our intake department speaks to them, they might have some reservations or the job might not really fit their schedule. So if you didn't get a job that you applied for, don't be discouraged. Keep applying. We always have many jobs available, and eventually you'll be able to land one. And that's all I have today on our app. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you soon.